Hello everyone, very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special session of your BRBL subject in the English medium language. Myself Nikita Singh, I'm your legal mentor. As we know that daily at 8 a.m. we are doing the module wise questions, and if I compare your modules, so module A, B, C and D. So C and D modules are very much important. B is important and A is also important. So you cannot skip any module. You cannot skip, guys, any module. So if you want to crack your examiner, so you have to focus on each and every module. So if I say you that if you focus on C and D in a class, then trust me, you can easily score 60 plus marks in your BRBL subject. This is a very scoring subject. So focus on C and D because total act that C and D contain, it's 19 acts. So that's why this is very much important. B contained 4 acts and A contained 2 acts. So by seeing the number of acts now, you can easily say that, yes ma'am, this is the important module. So that's why you have to focus on this one. Okay, now let's start with the session. So today we are going to cover a important session, or the questions of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. This is very important from the examination point of view also. Okay, so module D is basically Prevention of Corruption Act. As we know that the word corruption in the banking system also, this word has been come. So that's why this is important from the examination point of view also. If you just see the, as you know that this legal subject was a part of your BRBL, this one LRB subject. On that time, this act was not there. So this is the new act. And today we are also going to finish the module D, the module wise question. So that's why this is very much important. Now let's move toward the first question. Okay, let's move toward the first question. So the first question on the screen is that, who among the following is the correct with regard to the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988? A option is, act is to consolidate and amend the law relating to the prevention of corruption in India. Second, it extend to the whole of India. It's apply also to all citizen of India outside India. And D, all of the following is the correct one. So tell me the right answer for this one. Tell me the right answer for this question. Yes. This is very important from the examination point of view also, class. As we know that in the Prevention of Corruption Act, there must be appoint a special judge for this act. Okay, and this special judge has been appointed from the session court. Session court is the criminal court. Session court is the lowest in the criminal case. First case that's approach is called as a session court. Okay, so what will be the exact answer for this question? C, class. That is correct regard to the Prevention of Corruption Act is basically, if I see the first question here. Act is to consolidate and amend the law relating to this. Exactly right. It's extend to whole of India. Yes. It apply to the all citizen outside India. Yes. So that's why D is the right answer for this question. Okay. All of the above points are correct regarding this one. So D is the right answer. Got it? Next one. Next question is, the public servant as defined in the Prevention of Corruption Act means? What it means? Any person in the service or pay of the government or remunerated by the government by fees or commission for the performance of any public duty. Any person in the service or pay of a local authority. Any person in the service or pay of a corporation established by or under a central, provincial or state act, or an authority or a body owned, controlled and aided by government and the government company, or all of the above. So which of the following is exact regarding the public servant? Tell me. This is Very important. Yes, class. The question is very simple. Public servant that is defined in the Prevention of Corruption Act means what? This is important. The public servant that is defined under the Prevention of Corruption Act is basically all of the above is the right answer. Because its main work, public servant, the main work of public servant is just work for the public. We are not talking about the private one. So we are just talking about the public servant whose main work is to do the work for the public. So that's why for the second one, D is the right answer. Got it? Next. The next one is under Section 3 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Central government or state government has power to appoint as many special judges to try the offense. As I already told you that special judge is the person that is appointed under the Prevention of Corruption Act. Okay, and this special judge have to handle all the cases. So any offense punishable under Prevention of Corruption Act, any conspiracy to commit or any attempt to commit or any abatement, both A and B and none of the above. So what is the right answer? Tell me, class. What is the right answer for this question? Hanji. Any offense that is punishable under this act that can be handled by special judge. Any conspiracy is basically, you can say, when two or more person with a common intention agree to do any illegal act, that is called conspiracy. Attempt, try. Abatement, to instigate someone. On B, C is both A and B, and the last one is D, that is none of the above. So which of the following is the right one? So for the third question, the right answer is the special judge can see any offense punishable under Prevention of Corruption, any conspiracy to commit or any attempt to commit, this one and this one. Okay, so that's why for this question all of the points are exact ones. So third one, C is the right answer. Okay, and I have already told you, the definition terms of the acts are very much important. In the YT session right now, August is going on. So in the YT session, our main focus is to do the module wise question. In September, we will do the definition of the act. In October, we will do the summary and its question. And in November, we will do the marathon. So this is our, the whole, it's our whole planning for the each month. Okay, C is the right answer. Got it? Next. A person shall not be qualified for appointed as a special judge under the Prevention of Corruption Act unless he is or has been a session judge, additional session judge, assistant session judge, or either A, B, C. So which of the following is the right one? A person shall not be qualified for appointed as a special judge under the Prevention of Corruption Act unless he is or has been a session judge additional. It means, can a session judge can be appointed as a special judge? Can a additional session judge can be appointed as a session this one special judge? And can a assistant session judge can be appointed as a special judge? Question is very simple. So for the fourth one, the right answer will be D. D is the right answer here. Okay, D is the right answer. Done? Next. Offence punishable under the Prevention of Corruption Act shall be tried by Special Judge of CBI Court, Special Judge of NI Court, Special Judge appointed under Prevention of Corruption Act, and all of the above. So what is the right answer for the fifth question? Offence that is punishable under Prevention of Corruption Act shall be tried by Special Judge of CBI Court, Special Judge of NIA Court, Special Judge appointed under Prevention of Corruption Act, and all of the above is the right answer. So for fifth one, the right answer will be C. For the fifth one, C will be the right answer. Special Judge appointed under the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. So this is the right answer. Got it? Fifth, C is the right answer. Okay? Next. The next question is, every offence under Prevention of Corruption Act shall be tried by special judge for the area within which it was committed, the area within which the offender reside, the area within which the complainant resides, and the cases as decided by governor of the respective state. So which of the following is the right answer? Every offence under the Prevention of Corruption shall be tried by the special judge for what? Area within which it was committed, area within which offender reside, area within which the complainant reside, and the case decided by governor of respective state. This is very simple. Apply the common sense. So for the sixth one, the right answer will be the area which was committed. So sixth one, A is the right answer. Okay, A is the right answer. Next. When trying any case, a special judge may also try any offence other than the offence specified under Section 3 of Prevention of Corruption, with which the accused may under the IPC, CRPC, CPC, and all of the above. So which of the following is the right one? Seventh one. Yes, class. When trying any case, the special judge may also try any offence other than the offence specified in Section 3 of the Prevention of Corruption Act, with which was accused was under the, it means you can say in which act it deal with. IPC, that is Indian Penal Code, CRPC, CPC, or all of the above. For the seventh one, the right answer will be, that is CRPC. IPC is the act which talks about the definition of offense and its punishment. CRPC, in which what is the procedure of each act. Okay. CPC, what is the procedure of civil wrongful act, and all of the above. But in the Prevention of Corruption Act, it's basically deal with the B point, that is the Code of Civil Criminal Procedure. So seventh one, B is the right answer. Got it? Next. The trial of an offence under the Prevention of Corruption Act shall be held as far as practicable On day-to-day basis, an endeavor shall be made to ensure that the said trial is concluded within the period of 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, and 3 year. So what is the right answer for this question? Tell me. The trial of an offence under the Prevention of Corruption Act shall be held as far as practicable on day-to-day basis, and endeavor shall be complete. It means within how many year that should be completed? 6, 1, 2, and 3 year. Yes, class. What is the right answer? Within how many year it should be concluded? It should be concluded within 2 years. So 2 year is the, within 2 year they have to finish the, within 2 year they have to finish the trial. Okay, so for the eighth one, C is the right answer. Next. Where a trial under the Prevention of Corruption Act is not concluded within the 2 years, then which among the following action is to be caused? The special judge shall be record the reason for not having done so. The said period may be extended after recording the reason for a period not exceeding 6 months. The said period together with such extended shall not exceed ordinarily 4 year aggregate, and D, all of the above is the right answer. So which of the following is the right answer for this question? Yeah, class. Under the Trial of Prevention of Corruption Act, yes, class. The first option is that the special judge shall record, the reason for not having to do so exactly. The said period may be extended after recording the reason for a period not exceeding 6 months exactly. C, 2 year, 6 month, then this is 4 year. So that's why ninth one, D is the right answer. For the ninth question, the right answer is D. Okay, so D is the right answer for this question. Okay, class? I think this point is clear to all of you, right? Now, the next one. A person conducting a prosecution before a special judge under the provision of Prevention of Corruption Act shall be deemed to be a amicus curiae, special prosecutor, public prosecutor, and assistant solicitor general. As we know that if any, an advocate that handle this case on the behalf of the state, that is called as a public prosecutor. So in the 10th question, if any case is, comes under the Prevention of Corruption Act, so the advocate who will handle the case, that will call as what? Amicus curiae, special prosecutor, public prosecutor, or assistant solicitor general. So this is the question. Amicus curiae is basically, it's a legal word. It means friend of court. Special prosecutor is just like a, you can say, a government advocate. Public prosecutor, pure government advocate. And assistant solicitor general, that is a helper of advocate general. So according to the 10th one, the right answer will be the public prosecutor. The right answer for this question is class public prosecutor. So for the 10th one, C will be the right answer here. Okay, 10th one, C will be the right answer. Got it? So I think we have done the questions. So today we have just completed the module D, and I hope so you people have done all the questions of this one. So module D is important from the examination point of view. So total act we have covered is 9 act. So these 9 acts are very, very much important. So please focus on these 9 acts. So class, if you are new in this session, this is the single paid batch. Okay, so if you join this single paid batch, so you have to apply the coupon code that is IND80 for the maximum discount up to 81%. This is the bilingual batch and this is the English medium batch. The new English medium batch is going to be start from the September, in which it will be cover all the 4 compulsory subject. In the single paid batch, we are not covering the elective paper, but it will contain the mock paper, ebooks, etc. So that's why if you want to enroll, you have to apply the coupon code that is IND80 for the maximum discount. Done. And this is your JIB CAIIB ka Mahapack. So in the JIB CAIIB ka Mahapack, if I show you this CAIIB ka Mahapack, so this is very important. In the CAIIB ka Mahapack, that contain basically 1 year validity, because if you just enroll right now, you will contain 1 year validity plus the batches for English and bilingual language. It will also cover the batches of English medium and bilingual, and whatever the batch that will launch for this year now, it will cover that thing. So that's why this is very important from the examination point of view. So if you want to enroll in the CAIIB ka Mahapack, same coupon code you have to apply, that is IND80 for the maximum discount here. Okay, and this is your Officer Adda Mahapack that will contain the JIB CAIIB ka Mahapack, bank promotion and IBF certification, etc. So if you want to enroll it, the process is very simple. What you have to do, click on Adda 24/7. When you click on Adda 24/7, then Google Chrome, all courses, JIB CAIIB. This is your batch, and this is the English medium batch, which is going to be start from 4th of September. So click on buy now, and coupon code Y391. It's a IN80. See, 80% discount is there. So 80% discount if you want. So apply this same coupon code, that is IND80 for the maximum discount. Okay class, so this is all for today's class. And if you want to enroll in this CAIIB ka Mahapack, so DV is going on. So same coupon code IND80 you have to apply. You will get everything. So I think if you just think positive now, so I think you can crack this exam in the